This is one of the easiest AI edits to create, so grab your Insta360 1R, a mini tripod, and let's start. Hang around for the tips at the end and I'll show you what I use to avoid my tripod showing up in the middle of my shot in the final video. So first, find a relatively open space, attach your camera to the tripod and place it on the ground. Press record and then take 2 relatively large steps away from the camera, so approximately 2 meters away. Now walk or run around the tripod for roughly 20 to 30 seconds and then press stop. And now you're ready to edit. Open up the app, connect your camera and select Shot Lab. Now select Rolling Planet and press Use this theme. Select the shot you want to use and now the AI will automatically detect you in the shot and process the rolling planet into a final video. Now here are some top tips to help you get the best rolling planet shots. But just quickly before I do that, if you want more tutorials like this and you want 360 to be easier so you can have more fun, then please hit the subscribe button and click the bell so you're told straight away when I upload new content. If it's a bright sunny day with a clear sky like it was when I shot my videos, you will get a shadow cast across the camera every time you pass through the sun. Of course it's not a big deal because these shots are only for fun, but we want to improve our videos, so just be aware of where the sun is. When you circle the camera, keep the distance between you and the camera the same all the way around, otherwise you will change in size as you move closer and further away from the camera. When you've pressed record, step back and start your action straight away, because I found that if there's a lot of messing around at the beginning and there's a delay before you start your action, then the AI doesn't really like it and ends up creating a very short shot. If there is a lot of unnecessary movement at the beginning of the shot, you can always trim your shot first before you import it into Shot Lab. The AI edits your clips down to 10 seconds, so there's no need to film beyond say around 30 seconds because the AI won't process it beyond that anyway. You may have noticed in my shots that the tripod doesn't appear in the middle of my shot like it ordinarily would. Well, that's because I cheated and I used this ground spike mount which is completely invisible in the final video. So if you're shooting on grass, then consider getting one of these spikes because they're really useful. As long as you're circling around the camera and you're staying 2 meters away, you can do whatever move you want. So you can walk, run, skip, jump, ride a bike, gallop like a horse. It doesn't matter, just go crazy with it and have some fun. Watch this video next for more Insta360 1R hints and tips, and watch this video if you want another AI tutorial. Please remember to subscribe and I'll see you on the next video.